Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog or video, combination of both, is gonna be a prep and pack with me for Jamaica. I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I can't believe it's finally here, but as much as it's gonna be so much fun, I feel like prepping and packing is a lot of work, and I also just don't have that much time. Like, I just got back into town like yesterday and I'm leaving again in 2 days, so a lot of preparation to do. So in this video I'm just going to take you guys through how I prep and pack. Today is going to be dedicated to all the shopping, which I think is the most fun part. Tomorrow we'll be picking out all the outfits and packing, and then on Friday we have nail appointment. So I'm just gonna pop into a couple stores, see if there are any cute little finds, any like kind of just sale items. Like, I don't want to buy too much. All right, first stop, Urban Outfitters. Let's go. This is such a flattering top. What? One thing about Urban Outfitters, they're here for the small-chested folks, okay? Take a look at this. Do you guys see the vision? Today literally drained me. I'm so tired. I know it was just shopping, but before I even started the vlog, I did an hour walk this morning, so your girl is tired. Okay, I always say, oh, my hair looks crazy. I always say that it feels illegal to buy clothing from Urban Outfitters at full price. I don't know what it is. I always just go to their sales section because I never feel like their clothes are worth the price that they sell it for. But I actually ended up getting this one item for full price. I went in there looking for a casual skirt and this built-in shorts under. It's super, super cute. I saw this and I'm like, I need this. So I know I be talking shit, but that's the only regular price item I bought. And then I got these shorts, this textured, like, I think these are so cool, and I love that they're baggy. I think this would look so cute with a tight top, but also like a baggy top. I think you can do so much with this. You know, if you know, you know. Going to Jamaica, you know, you gotta get a little net top. So that's basically what I got from Urban, and then I only picked up one thing in Aritzia. So I walked out of there with this $20 skirt. What? Guys, this is so cute. I can't believe it was like $20. I love. So I stopped at Shoppers quickly to pick up the Dior blush, the hot pink one. I tried it and I was like very skeptical for my skin tone, but I tried my best friend's and it was like perfect. It's really pretty. And then I got some brow stuff. I got Benefit brow pomade. Very 2016 of me. A brow gel. I also went to change my money to buy US. Moment of silence for the Canadian dollar. That's crazy. All right, that's it for today. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go take a nap. I will see you guys tomorrow when we start doing the real work and packing everything and fitting everything into my one suitcase. Stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, we're back home and I'm feeling the pressure, okay? It's 2:30, no, it's 2:45. I need to leave my house by 5:30 and nothing has been packed. Good news is the outfits have been picked. I just literally need to like put everything in packing cubes and pack all my products and hair stuff and all of that. But yeah, I look a little greasy. It's not grease or glow, it's sweat because I'm like, I gotta go, too much to do. Okay, So let me show you the little situation that we have going on. Here are a lot of the outfits. It looks very scary, like very chaotic, but I swear there is a method behind this madness. And not to hype myself up, but I feel like I found a good packing method. So before, when I used to travel, I used to pick my outfits. Like I would pick my favorite tops, my favorite bottoms, throw them in the bag, and then whenever I would get to my destination, that's when I would actually put the outfits together and curate like looks and everything. But the problem with that is, one, I have bad memory, so like I would pack stuff but I wouldn't remember like what looks good with what. A lot of the decisions for my outfits were just like, you know, like in the moment, and if we were ever in a rush, I would just feel so frazzled and my head just gets discombobulated easily. So I found that pre-planning my outfits helps really well. I did that last year. I pre-planned my outfits and I left option, like I always keep options too. I'll pick a bottom and then I'll be like, what top looks good, and I'll keep a couple options, but I document it. Basically just take a picture of the outfit. Or what I did is, because I make TikToks, I just made a TikTok, like a pack with me TikTok, and so I took little videos of all my outfits, so that literally whenever I was like, oh, what should I wear tonight, I just went back and watched my TikTok. But you don't have to make a TikTok, you can just like take pictures. I recently did that when I was in Chicago and Detroit. Was I didn't make a TikTok, I just took pictures and put them in an album. I have bad memory, you may not need to do that, but I need to do that because I need to remember everything I packed and I want to look as cute as possible. So for me, and I think what would be helpful for a lot of people, is to put in the work before you go, you know, like just take it does take some time, because I was doing this last night and it took me a few hours just trying everything on and seeing what looks good. I was so indecisive. I'm like, I don't know what looks better, but I think I've narrowed it down. So let me run you guys through what's going on this bed. This is what I did. My method for picking out my outfits was basically to start with the bottoms always. So for example, this skirt, and I picked tops that I think would look best with it. So I think this blue top will look really cute, or this dark blue tank top. So I'll bring that as options, and as, of course, like this is so basic that it will be able to go with a lot of other bottoms too. Because these are the two tops mainly for this skirt, I'm keeping them touching on this skirt. However, for example, this pink shirt is touching 3 bottoms. So this pink shirt is touching this black bottoms, this silver skirt, and this printed skirt here. So that means that it would be able to go with all 3. Depending on my mood, this might be so extra, but I swear I'm so indecisive and I just need like a really clear, what are my options with my bottoms, and I don't want to do that while I'm on vacation. And then for example, on this gold skirt, only this top is touching this gold skirt. So that's like the top that would mainly go with that. And then here we have these 3 tops only touching this checkered skirt. So again, like those are the main tops for that, but we have a little floater, okay? So if I'm just feeling the pink top, I can look back and just, you know, pick a bottom. And same thing here. So this top is dedicated to this bottom. This is kind of a floater. And then same idea over here. We have this long, really pretty skirt. Then we have this linen white set, and then there's a linen top that can go like set with the white bottoms, or linen top with the striped skirt. So basically that's what I did last night, was just like going through everything and putting together what I think would look the cutest. These two I just feel like are like fine how they are. I don't have too many options. And then over here I have my dresses, and then this pile is just all my casuals. So nothing special here, just very basics. Tanks, shorts, my jean shorts, very simple skirt. So these all can kind of mix and match. So I'm not too pressed with those because those are like my daytime looks. But my nighttime looks, I'm trying to look cute, okay? So basically what I'm gonna do to document what looks good with what, I'm gonna make a TikTok video, but you can substitute that with just taking pictures. So for example, I will start with the bottom. So I'll go with this black bottom. I'll place only these 2 in the frame, like these 2 tops in the frame, so that I know like these are the top 2, the best 2 possibilities for that skirt. I just documented all my outfits. Took about 30 minutes, so that's pretty good. So the time right now is 3:30. I gotta be out of here by 5:30. Ideally, I wanted to get some of my work hours done, but that's just not realistic. Like my toxic trait is literally thinking I can do 20 million tasks in one day. How did I think that I was going to work for hours, get my nails done, run errands, come home and pick up my dry cleaning, eat, pack, all before 5:30? It's just unrealistic. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I have a problem. But anyways, let's finish up the packing. Let me show you guys what we're working with for bags, bathing suits, shoes, all of that. Alrighty, so here we have the bag situation and hat. How pretty is this? Oh, stunning. Clearly there's a little theme going on, some greeny orange. And then these are the bathing suits. Oh, these could have been laid out way nicer, but okay. This is like a little cover up here, another cover up. This I'm so excited to wear. Another cover up. Bathing suits, cover ups, blah, blah, blah. These are my packing cubes. And then these are the shoes that I'm gonna bring. Yeah, I might have to cut some out because I don't know if that's all gonna fit. So what I find helpful is sectioning each kind of category so I don't forget anything and I can visually see everything. So I put all my hair stuff, this Dyson has to be packed too, all in one section. So I scan and make sure I'm not forgetting anything. These are like my clips, ponytails and all that. And then my shampoo, conditioner, and products. So this is good. My brushes and my comb. I feel like this is a good visual layout. I'm not missing anything. And these are gonna be like, this is my important pile, wallets, sunglasses, things I will have on my person that I need to have easy access to. And this is my makeup. So far, so good. Travel hack or travel tip. I saw this on TikTok one time, and you just get like a clean glove and then put your makeup brushes in there. So that way your whole case doesn't get messed up from your brushes rubbing against it and stays clean. I thought that was like so smart. So a little fun travel tip. And then I laid out all my products. All my skincare basically is all here. And then I made a little baggie for my floss. For the first time, I've put elastics on like these little things that, I don't know, I just feel like this keeps the bag more organized. I think this can be a helpful tip too. Okay, so yeah, basically that's it. I just have to put everything in their cubes and bags now. That should take me about 30 minutes. And then I have about an hour to kind of chill, like take out my garbage, clean up a bit so I can come back to a fresh and clean space, which I really love and is the best feeling ever. All right, let's get to packing. I thought I might explain how I'm gonna do my packing cubes in case anyone wants to know. You can roll your clothes in the packing cube, let me show you, or fold them. I prefer folding them because I find that there's way less wrinkles. I am bringing my steamer, but the least amount of wrinkles are better. But the thing with folding is you have to make sure you take out the whole volume of the packing cube to maximize the storage space, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be folding like this, but then I'm gonna add another row here so that the whole square is filled. So I'm basically laying everything flat, and I'm gonna start with like skirts and shorts on this side. The dresses and longer skirts I'm gonna put on this side. Okay guys, that actually fit pretty well. I'm shocked at how smoothly that went. I think where I'll have the trouble is this side, because that has to fit my shoes, my bags, my toiletries, my hair stuff. I mean, this side is deeper, so hopefully everything fits. So mostly everything fit. The only thing that might not make it is my beach bag, and then these shoes should, oh, it should be okay. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to close this. We did it. We're packed up and ready to go. I have to leave in 20, so not much time to do much else. The dishwasher is done, and that's it. Gonna take out my garbage and we're ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming and it made me get really excited for my trip. I can't wait. Like, Jamaica's my favorite place, so I'm definitely gonna vlog. But if you want to see like how Jamaica is and everything, look out for that. I also want to do a video of like outfits or like vacay inspo ideas, something like that. So if that's something you'd like to, be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for that. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.